So you have a Garmin 935 or the 945 and you have an issue where it's not charging. I'm going to give you guys several solutions to get you up and running right now, okay? So first thing is this. What I want you to do is go ahead and plug in your cable. So plug it in. Take note that this one's fixed, but let's just pretend. I know that this one's charging, okay? I can see the lightning bolt there, but let's pretend that this one is not charging. So it's not charging just like your Garmin watch. So with it plugged in, I want you to wait about 5 minutes, okay? After 5 minutes, I want you to come back here, and of course yours is still not going to be charging, or maybe you just have like a black screen and it's just totally dead. Anyways, after 5 minutes, what I want you to do is this. The light button up here, top left-hand side, I want you to press and hold, and do not let go, okay? Even if you have a totally black screen, continue to hold this for 20 seconds, okay? So basically after like 17 seconds, the screen will go black. If your screen is on, it's going to turn black like that. If your screen's already black, just count to 20 and then go ahead and just let go. Okay, now it's still plugged in. Now, next thing is go ahead and press and hold the light button for like 2 seconds, and then you should see this triangle pop up here. Now go ahead and let it boot up, and hopefully you can see your watch actually charging. Now, if it's still not charging, what I want you to do is go ahead and pull the cable out of the USB socket wherever you have it. And what I want you to do is plug it in somewhere else, okay? For example, like your laptop or computer, okay? Go ahead and plug the charging cable in there. And then from here, again, I want you to wait 5 minutes, okay? With it plugged in, wait 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, come back to the watch, and same thing as we did previously. Press and hold this light button, press and hold, and count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't matter if your screen is on or your screen is totally black or is just not even turning on at all, okay? So keep holding this button for 20 seconds, or basically if you have a screen that's on and it turns black, you can let go. Anyways, just to be safe, wait for 20 seconds for all of you, then let go, okay? Once you let go, press and hold again for like 2 seconds, and hopefully you see a little triangle, and hopefully it's going to, when it's booted back up, hopefully you're going to see it charging. If not, then we're going to go to the next step here, okay? So let me wait a couple more seconds. Okay, so this one's up, and of course this phone was working, but anyways, again, you can see that it's charging from the lightning bolt here. Okay, so for the next thing now, if it's still not charging, it's not charging, what I want you to do is go ahead and unplug it, and I want you to get some kind of rubbing alcohol. It really doesn't matter, okay? And get yourself like a little Q-tip here, and we just want to put like a little bit on there, and what we want to do is just clean a little bit of the contacts on here, okay? So go ahead and grab this, and what you want to do is make sure it's a little bit damp here, and we want to go ahead and clean up. Might be some dust or some sticky stuff, or maybe you got soda on it, or maybe sweat or lotion. Go ahead and kind of move that around like that. Now what I want you to do is go ahead and grab your cable, and don't plug it in right away. What I want you to do next is I want you to blow in there. Blow and blow hard. Then go ahead and pop it in. Give it a little bit if it's totally dead. Anyways, hopefully you're going to see that it is finally charging. Now the thing is, if it's still not charging, you know, the thing is, like, these cables are notorious for like failing, especially after like a few years for like no reason really. I would suggest the last step would just go ahead and go on Amazon. You can buy 2 of these cables, either for your 935 or 945. It's like $8 for 2 of them. Anyways, hope one of the solutions here work for you guys, all right? Good luck.